What's up, guys? This is Demkeys, and you are watching Demkeys Rambles I think it's number 6. Demkeys Rambles number whatever. Uh, I'm recording this for the third time, and here's the thing. The first time I made some sort of mistake, so I had to record it another time. For the third time, there's really no reason why I'm doing it. I just want to do it. So, I like to keep Demkeys Rambles raw, but considering the fact that this is the third time I'm recording this, I'm not really sure how raw this is. But anyways, it's been a while since I've done one of these. What have I been up to? I've actually been up to a lot of different things, as always. Let's start with a project I worked on recently. Me and Glow. We released a game called Fight the Cannons. The game is on itch.io. It's free, so if you want to check it out, go ahead. The link's going to be in the... I have this habit of saying link's going to be in the top right corner and in the description down below. So I was just about to say that again, but I'm not sure if I can put an external link in the top right corner. So yeah, just in the description down below. What was I saying? Yeah, the game's free. Go check it out. Those of you who are interested in checking out the source code, I've provided the project link. Any of you who want to check out the devlogs, we've also created devlogs for it. So, devlogs showing the development process of the game. So that was a small side project. Now that that's done, we are continuing development on APV1. As usual, devlogs even for that. I will actually be releasing... You know what? I think the next APV1 devlog is probably going to be out before this video comes out. So yeah. My next project... The next two projects they were just really small projects. Small to the extent that they took me like days to complete. These projects were just more for myself. I just wanted to see if I can do it or not. One of them is a name wheel. Basically, you provide it with a list of names, and those names are going to be placed onto this wheel. It sounds like a really simple concept. My challenge with this project was actually placing those names onto the wheel, because it sounds really simple, but there's actually some math behind it. So I had to figure that out. Basically, there's procedural mesh generation involved in this project, so it was sort of a learning experience for me, as with every project that I work on. Which is why I keep telling you guys, keep working on projects. Each project is going to teach you something. And dude, this project taught me a lot. Yes, I forgot. I'm gonna make a small gameplay video for Fight the Cannons, and I'm gonna just put that up. I can't put that up now because I've already started talking about this. You know what? No. In this case, I'm gonna have to do editing. No, I'll not do editing. You know what? Let's just keep it simple. I'm gonna bring it up on the screen right now. Watch it, and then we'll continue.
Round 5. Stabby stab.
Okay, so back to the name wheel. Basically, you provide it with a list of names, and then you spin the wheel, and it's going to give you a random name. Even with this project, I'm providing the project link and the build link. Though, unlike Fight the Cannons, this does not have an itch.io page. These projects are just the build and the project both are uploaded to Dropbox. So the links for both of them are going to be in the description down below. And here's a video of the name wheel. Okay, so yeah, one more thing about the name wheel project. It was more for me to see if I could actually do it or not, and yeah, I could do it. So moving on to the next project. So I've been learning a little bit about AI. Don't worry, I'm not going to give you a big lecture on what AI is. I'm nowhere knowledgeable enough to actually, you know, give you information about AI. But yeah, I've been learning about AI, more specifically machine learning. Again, not going to lecture you on it. There are different approaches to accomplish machine learning. One of them is called reinforcement learning. That is what I've been focusing more of my research on. So yeah, the video I'm going to show you right now, let me just give you a little info about that. Basically, there's a 10 by 10 grid. On this grid, you have a start position, which is a yellow tile, a goal position, which is a green tile, and you have an agent, which is, I think, a blue or a purple colored cube that's on the grid. The agent's main aim is to find the goal, and once the goal is found, the goal position or the goal tile, whatever is found, the agent is supposed to build a path from the start tile to the goal tile. So this video is going to show you how it is doing that. Not exactly how I've implemented it, but just how that is happening. Or how that is happening? No. It's going to show you the process of the agent creating its path, figuring out its path. You're going to see numbers on the tiles. As those numbers change, you'll figure out that this is a path that the agent is using, because all the other tiles are going to be their numbers are going to be 0. Basically, the agent is using a sort of reward system. This is something I learned in reinforcement learning. This is by no means a full implementation of reinforcement learning. It's just like a tiny implementation, because I was doing something like this for the very first time, and legit, this is the first time I've ever implemented not AI, but specifically machine learning AI. So I wanted to keep it simple. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, the agent basically looks for a tile that has a reward on it. So at the beginning, all the tiles have a reward of 0, but the goal tile, the goal position has a reward of 100. So when the agent finds that tile, it basically builds. First of all, it moves to that tile, and the tile from which it has moved, that tile is assigned a reward value of 1. So now you have two tiles that have reward values, and so the next time the agent finds that tile, the tile that has a 1 or whatever value reward, the previous tile is going to be assigned a reward. And so through this process of backtracking, the AI. Okay, so sorry about that. My memory got full, and so the recording just stopped. So where was I? Through this process, the AI builds its path, and once the path has been built, basically once there is a path from the goal position to the start position, or rather from the start position to the goal position, this is the path that the AI is going to follow. So yeah, here's the video now. Just like with the other projects, I've provided the link to the build. Not actually the build, just the link to the project. If any of you are interested at all in checking it out, it's nothing special really. But if you guys want to see how I implemented this machine learning AI, yeah, I'm gonna provide the project. It's not done by any means. I'm gonna build up on this basically. So yeah, here's the video. Enjoy. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.